Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. On the occasion of the European Year of Skills 2023, Don Bosco International and its partners organized on the 31st of May 2023 the Dialogue Conference, Grounded in the Present, Skill for the Future, addressing reskilling and upskilling in the context of the current challenges of the labour market and education in the EU. The designation of 2023 as the European Year of Skills clearly aims to address the current situation of the EU labour market, responding to the shortage of skilled workforce across Europe. However, as stressed in his opening remarks by Father Miguel Angel Garcia Morcunde, SDB General Counsellor for Youth Ministry and President of DBI, investing in skills means investing in people. Beyond the technical transfer of skills, education is a matter of heart. The fourth level of the Celestianity Course, promoted and organized by the Salesian Ongoing Formation Center in the Americas, CSFPA, based in Quito, Ecuador, took place in May. A total of 19 participants came together in Italy for the occasion. Salesians and lay people from different Latin American countries, Ecuador, Mexico, Peru, Argentina, Colombia, Bolivia, Uruguay, Brazil, El Salvador, and Costa Rica. This course is the final formation stage as planned by the CSFPA. The aim is to experience charismatic identity and envisages a pilgrimage to the places where Don Bosco live and work. At the end of the course, the pilgrims also drew up a personal synthesis that allowed them to design a proposal for educative, pastoral and communicative involvement that accords with the area of mission in which they carry out their activity. On 26 and 27 May, members of the Salesian Family from the Africa Great Lakes Vice Province made a pilgrimage to the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians in Buterere near Bujumbura. The participants benefited from a moment of spiritual growth with a rich catechesis focus on the intervention of Mary Help of Christians. Several activities were planned in the program, with a solemn mass celebrated on May 27th by the Superior of the AGL Vice Province, Father Pierre Celestin Ngoboka, during which some New Salesian cooperators made their promise. The Day for the Improvement of Youth Employability, which took place on May 25th at the Milia Princesa Hotel in Madrid, brought together 100 young people looking for their first professional experience and managers and officials in the human resources sector of important companies, establishing a valuable contact for both parties. The day was organized as part of the project for the improvement of youth employability and the return to education Primera Experiencia Profesional, first professional experience, promoted by the Federation of Salesian Social Platforms PINARDI and by the Autonomous Community of Madrid in collaboration with the Quero Trabajo Foundation, I Want to Work, and which enjoys the financial support of the Ministry for Inclusion, Social Security and Migration and the European Union Next Generation Programme through the National Recovery, Transformation and Resilience Plan. First professional experience is a new way of tackling the problem of youth unemployment. It is a training experience that allows personal development and professional discovery alongside the educational team of PINARDI and large companies in order to increase the employability and social and work integration of young people, keeping themselves and the companies as protagonists. Among the many educational and recreational activities that the Salesian Oratory San Domenico Savio in Gela has been offering to the children and young people of the city, for 5 years there has also been the proposal of the Missionary Childhood Laboratory. It is a part of education and evangelization for children between the ages of 5 and 7, born on the initiative of the director of the Oratory, Don Alfredo Calderoni. After a long pause due to the COVID-19 pandemic in this pastoral year last October, the part of formation and play resumed also for this age group and with this entirely missionary initiative. There have been months of intense and joyful activities conducted without stopping until the month of May that has just ended. Every Thursday from 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m., several others entertainers welcomed about 30 children. The idea that this year has been the backbone of the entire journey has been to travel on an imaginary train across the 5 continents, narrating their uses and customs, languages, traditions, monuments and curiosities. By carefully choosing welcoming dances, educational videos, skits through the puppet theatre and various themed manual activities, the entertainers provided the little ones with simple news of the continent that was being treated during that month. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.